Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to talk about the move command on Linux. So the first thing we can do with the move command is we rename a file. So here, as you can see, I have a different ordinary file. So I want to use the move command to change the file name sun to a new name. So sun6, it will be the new name. So here I can use move, then the file name, then the new file name. So like this, enter ls, as you can see here. So I can't see the sun file, but the sun file has, or the name of the sun file has been replaced by sun6. So this is the first thing. The second thing, we can use the command move to move a ordinary file. So I want to move the test2 file under the Toto directory. So I have to type move, then the file name, and then the destination. So it will be Toto like this. Enter, and here if I list the Toto directory like this, as you can see here, the test2 now is under the directory Toto. I can also use the option the command move with the option -v, and v stands for verbose, so we can see an output on the screen. So move -v toto test2, this is the file name, and then the destination, it will be under /root. And as you can see here, we can on the screen see the output, the move command. So the file name test2 now is under, we can find it under /root. So also we can use the move command to not only move a ordinary file, but we can move a directory. So Toto, we can use the Toto directory and the new destination, and the new destination, it will be under /etc, for example, or /home, for example, like this. ls, I can't see the Toto because here is under /root, and if I type ls/home, I can see clearly the Toto directory. So I want to move it again to /root by using this option -v for, and v, as you already know, stands for verbose. So /home, the file, the directory name Toto, and then the new destination, it will be /root like this. So here I'm under /root, and as you can see, we can find the /toto or the Toto directory under /root again. So also we can use the move command with or -i for interactive. So to avoid to overwrite a file, for example, as you can see here, I have sun2 and sun6. I want to rename the sun2 file, move like this, sun2 to, and give it a new name, sun6. And as you can see here on the screen, the sun6 file already exists. So enter. As we can see here in in Linux distribution like Amazon EC2, by default the MV, it's interactive. So there is the question override sun, and we can answer by yes or no. But if the move command doesn't ask you override, we can use it with mv minus I, this option, to then sun 2 to sun 6. And as you can see here, by using the option minus I, the move command ask us ask are you sure to overwrite the sun 6? And you can answer by yes or no. And to avoid that question, we can also use the move command with the option minus F to force the overwriting. So as we can see here by this example, sun 2 to sun 6, and now there is now a question to overwrite sun 6. So I have forced the overwriting. So ls now, and as you can see here, I have 2 times the file sun 6. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.